first graders, we're doing math first. L132, add 3 two-digit numbers without zeros in the ones place. And you're going to notice if you have both worksheets or one or the other, that it's only just the front page, okay? Because it's able, you know, as we go for the next few weeks, it's going to be, it's easier to squeeze all of it into one page rather than waste the time of the copy machine flipping it over. And it's just, there's actually, the way these are set up, it's actually, I'm able to fit more onto the front page. So, with that being said, the worksheets, both worksheets, the sea turtle and, oh, it looks like they're both octopus. One should be sea turtle, the other one octopus. But the regular lesson and the diff are the same, the spiral review and the review. And then the today's lesson is just going to be a little different, okay? All right, so let's start with the spiral review. Number 1, okay, so we're writing the sums. Number 1, 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 plus 4 is 9. Number 2, 0 plus 3 is 3, 3 plus 5 is 8, 8 plus 1 is 9. Number 3, 2 plus 5 is 7, 7 plus 0 is 7, 7 plus 1 is 8. Number 4, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 2 is 4, and 4 plus 3 is 7. All right, now on to the review. We're adding, and we start on the one side. 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. Start on the one side. 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 30. 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. 50. 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 5 is 6. Plus 1 is 7. So 70. Okay. All right, now this is draw more grapes to show how to find the answer. Write the sums. So we have 4 sets of 10 grapes and then 1 grape there. So we have 41. So that's 41. And we need to add 13 and 14. Okay, so first we need to add 3 more grapes. 1, 2, 3. And then 4 more grapes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and so if I were to count them, they would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's check. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. All right, so now we already have 4 sets of 10 grapes. Now we need to add 1 more set of 10 grapes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then another set of 10 grapes. 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's check. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. 68. Okay. The other one, remember, like I said, this is the same here, so I'm just going to go over this bottom part. We are adding, we start on the one side. It's always a good idea to start at top going down to the bottom just so you don't miss one. Some people do like to add up the biggest numbers first and then add up the smallest numbers and then cross them out as they go so they don't forget them, which you can certainly do, and that's what we do when we count coins. I personally, for something that are like this, I just start from the top and go down. But once you start getting into 9 plus 8 plus 7 plus 6 plus 5 on the one side, then it is much easier to count or add up the biggest numbers first, okay? But for now, let's start from the top down to the bottom. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. Now the 10 side. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. 68. One side, 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. 75. If you wanted to do what we have been doing, where we put, as we go, we put the digit on top, you can certainly do that if you want to. You do not have to, but some people like to because sometimes they worry about forgetting, and that's certainly okay. So 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. See, 75. You can certainly do that however you are more comfortable with. Okay, so 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. 79. And that is our math for today.